Kerala High Court passes an interim order upholding the state government decision. It's breaking news coming in with the Kerala High Court upholding the state government decision to take over 50% seats in the medical post-graduation course. Let's go across to Pradeep, who joins us. Pradeep, what is it that the court has ordered today?
The Inter-Church Council had approached the court seeking freedom in admitting students to the PG courses, the medical PG courses. This was, as we know, one of the reasons for the clashes between the Students' Federation and the left students and youth front organizations with the police and the government across the state over the last 1 week. This definitely comes as a relief for the government, because the government has always claimed that it is doing its best to ensure that 50%, half of the seats in the medical PG and all professional courses should go to the government merit list prepared by the government's own system, wherein it conducts an entrance examination. The Inter-Church Council and other private managements had approached court seeking that it needs freedom to admit students from its own entrance examinations and to its own freedom. The Supreme Court today morning also had made a similar reference, leaving it to the High Court to decide on whether the government quota should be allowed. Also, the Medical Council of India stated to the Supreme Court in a related case that obviously 50% of every self-financing college fees should be earmarked for the government merit list and the admission entrance list over there. Back to you.
Pradeep, this is coming at a time when the Kerala High Court is giving some relief to the Kerala government, even as the protests have today intensified.
Indeed. After the change of government, the CPM and the left students' organizations had taken to the streets, fighting the government and the police over this issue. The main allegation was that the government was not dealing as strongly as possible, and it stopped settling with the management and not ensuring that 50% seats would come to the general merit quota. But this, as you mentioned very correctly, comes as major relief, because it really upholds the government stance that it is doing its best to ensure that 50% seats goes to the government merit list.
All right. Thanks, Pradeep, for that.